LinkedIn AI Sales is an automated AI agent for lead generation and sales outreach on LinkedIn. It helps you connect with prospects, start conversations, collect contact info, and book demo or business meetings. AI Sales Rep follows your sales funnel and uses your knowledge base to build trust with each lead. It uncovers their pain points and uses AI-generated messaging to move the conversation forward. The goal is to secure contact details and schedule a call or product demo. AI Sales Rep delivers a precise, step-by-step connection process. It supports 6 different methods for finding and reaching out to leads. It can reach up to 60% connection success rate and up to 80% conversation conversion. Now let's walk through how to use the LinkedIn group feature in AI Sales Rep. First, create a new campaign inside AI Sales Rep. Select the LinkedIn account you want to use. Then choose Group as your lead generation method. Next, go to LinkedIn and search for groups based on your target audience. For example, if you're promoting AI software to CEOs or executives, look for groups related to company leaders, decision makers, or industry influencers. Once you've joined the group, click the Show All button to view the full member list. Check if the members match your ideal customer profile. If the group looks like a good fit, copy the group URL. Paste the group link into AI Sales Rep. The AI will automatically start reaching out to engaged group members. It connects with them and opens real business conversations for you.